Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Padhoge to Badhoge in Math Mastery. Today is day 3 and ratio and proportion. We'll continue with the topic without wasting the time of my introduction what is this channel all about. So when we are doing the ratio and proportion, we should always remember when one quantity increases, the other also increases. Okay, suppose x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. We'll learn all this. Okay, question 1 I've already framed it for you guys. If a pen costs ₹75, what is the cost of 8 pen? If you remember, see my past videos, okay, I have been insisting every guys, okay, step and formula. So this here also step 1. If 5 pen costs 75, what is the cost of 1 pen? 1 pen costs 15. 5 1 5, 5 5 25. What is the cost of 8 pen? Our answer question is step 2, 8 pen. 1 pen 15. 8 5 is 40. 8 1 8. Carry over 4. And it is 120 is the answer. So very simple. This type of question even don't come in the exam, but it is all for practice. Our second question. A car travel 180 kilometer using 12 liter of petrol. Okay, kilometer and liter. Both the units should be same, okay, that I have told in my previous session. How much petrol is needed for 300 kilometer? Okay, 180 kilometer, 12 liters and 300 petrol. We have to find the liter. Okay, so our step 1, 180 kilometer is equal to 12 liter of petrol. Okay, 300 kilometer, what is the x liter? Okay, both the units should be same. So now it is that like this. Okay, 180 by 300 is equal to 12 by x, cross multiply. Okay, so x is equal to, this is, ignore it please. Okay, x is equal to 300 by into 12 by 180. 0 0 gone. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 3 1 is 3 0. So answer is 20 liter. See, if you start doing the formula, doing the step by step and all, you are very clear. Okay, so this is why I'm insisting practice makes a man perfect. Formula step by step. Our next question is in the similar pattern. 6 liter of paint cover 90 meters. Okay, this is like, okay, this is like in this one meter. Okay, 6 liter of paint cover 90 meter. How much paint is needed for 150 meter? Similarly, the previous pattern we have done, we'll do in a similar manner. 90 meter is equal to 6 liter. 90 meter, okay, paint cover 6 liter. How much paint is needed for 150? So 150 meter is equal to x I have taken. X is equal to, this goes cross multiply, 150 into 6 by 90. This goes 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. X is equal to 10. 10 liter is the answer. So you see guys, I'm practicing in front of you and I'm doing solving in most of the question in front of you guys. You need to keep on practicing. I'll come in my next session with some tricky question on ratio and proportion. Till then, goodbye. Please do like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to hear some more interesting question and answer in maths and all, do press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.